Absolutely. Another one passing by at speed on route to Portsmouth London Waterloo. And this time I'm using my camera for this one, so. Platform 1 doesn't stop here.
Please stand back from the edge of the platform.
It's good to me that I don't have to worry about train things in life, you know. There you go, passing by. It was nice to spend time with her now, because I was really glad to be seeing her since. There you go. Marvellous job. I don't know why Liam still doesn't want to spend time with me anymore. I mean, it was not like that once, you know. I mean, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, he used to hang out with you. But not much these days, isn't it? Not me, no.